Got Chris here loading up the truck. We sure appreciate it.
Yeah.
Appreciate your help, Chris. It's getting ready here. Store's starting to get broken down. Here we go. Lots going on today, guys. It's Evelyn who quickly tries to get out of the video. We even brought the kids with today. Hey guys, can you say hello? Hello. So they're going to be watching some cartoons, I think, while the rest of us are busy in here working and packing and getting things uploaded, and Evelyn's hiding, but we still got a little glimpse and glimmer over there. So this is just the front part, and this is where we're going to be starting. And this is actually where we've cut through for our new business that's coming in here pretty soon. We're anticipating a positive response from the government very soon. So this is where we're at. And I'll keep you guys posted.